Hi, Ben Pequeno here with DrivewayTips.com. In this video, we are installing an 18,000 square foot parking lot. That's 2,000 square yards. Binder is being installed over the compacted gravel base. A binder coat will extend longevity as well as durability. Binder is a rough coat of asphalt that has 3/4 inch stone. Binder is also an important part of the berm installation. Berm should always be installed on top of a binder, and then the top coat will actually lock the berm into place. It is important to have a flat, hard surface to guide the berm machine. After the binder is completed, we carefully mark out where we want the berm to go. The berm machine has a worm gear that pushes the mix into the berm mold. Several molds are available that will all fit on the same machine. The berm machine works very slowly, being fed by wheelbarrows one at a time. It's important to keep the machine on a nice straight line. Here's where teamwork is essential. We need to have one member of the crew just guiding the machine to constantly make sure that it's going straight. Another member is assisting the wheelbarrow guys dump into the hopper and keeping everything lubricated and flowing smoothly. And two wheelbarrow men wheelbarrowing from the truck into the hopper of the machine. Inside and outside corners, as well as endings, will need some attention by hand. A trowel is used to hold the berm by hand. A few final touches, and we're ready to install the finish coat. The finish coat is a little bit finer. It generally has 3/8 to 1/2 inch stone. Finish coat locks the berm into place. Notice that the binder extends beyond the finished perimeters. When the berm is backfilled completely to the top, it will make for a very strong edging. In 3 days after completion of this project, the parking lot is ready for use. Ben Pequeno here with DrivewayTips.com.